this thing. Oh shit. Alright, he's activating line lock again. Holy shit. Hey guys, welcome to Chris Mac. For today's video, we have a Charger Scat Pack 2020. Now I'm going to show you around it real quick, then we're going to go ahead and hit the road. This is more so going to be a POV drive. But look at this exterior though, this black and the red accents, the wheels and the badges. This thing is just stunning. You can hear that V8 6.4 liter growling away. But let me show you guys the heart of the beast. It is a 6.4 liter V8, 392 cubic inches. That's where you get the 392 from. 485 horses, 475 pound-foot of torque. And with the whole gas crisis going on, who cares about gas mileage? Unfortunately, this owner did trade this in because this thing is a thirsty beast right here. But let me show you guys the interior real quick. So you got a moonroof up top with full LED illuminations. Hopping into the back seat of the Charger Scat Pack. This is a full-size sedan. I do have about 5-6 inches of leg room. Headroom is about 2 or 3 inches. Does have USB ports with cup holders. But since this is a driver's vehicle, let me show you guys the cockpit of the Scat Pack. Where unfortunately you can't see the car remains kind of the same as the 2011 version with your light controls on this side. Your push button start. Now this one doesn't have the driver assistance pack. And then you do also have Bluetooth, and you can get a couple other things. Now looking over here on this side, in the center console, you can see we have the drive mode preset up. You also have a launch control, traction, parking sensors, and a full zone climate control. In this Uconnect screen right here, you got your different radio, climate controls with 2 zones. You got heated seats and heated steering wheel. Your different apps, vehicle settings, and your performance data logs right here. You know, I'm gonna give you guys a little rev and just, yeah. So you can see the meter right here. Will show you all your different timers, and you see your oil pressure go up when you rev up the engine. You have your RPM, PSI, and a dyno meter right there. Right here is your drive mode selector, so you can change that from track. You do have a line lock feature. You can also use the launch control, sport, custom, so you can customize everything. And you do also have a auto mode, as well as a valet mode and a eco mode. But with all that said, let's go ahead, take for a drive, and see how it does, because that's what you clicked on this video for. It's gonna be exciting. It's my first V8 Charger. We're gonna close that. There we go. So we're on this automatic mode, which is like its default mode, like a normal mode. And of course you have a custom, as well as a sport mode. We'll just try it in sport. Oh yeah. Yeah. Oh my goodness. The crazy part with the Scat Pack is that the acceleration, this thing is like warp speed. Like, it really is. Of course, this is a big old car. How's the turning radius? It's honestly not that bad for the car being based in 2011. Haha, yeah. And then of course you do have launch control. So we're gonna try out the launch control real quick and see how it is. So you gotta be at 0 miles an hour. Activate. Damn. Yeah. Oh yeah. You could see it was like fighting for traction. Like, it was just insane. And then when you put it in manual mode, the backfires get. Yeah. It's like an old school muscle car right here. It's just phenomenal. And we do have to try out the line lock feature. We're going to try that out up here. You can see in manual mode it doesn't bang off, it bangs off the rev limiter. So you know you're on your own when you have. This thing just sounds awesome though. I love it. Alright, first gear. And you really gotta know how to drive when you drive one of these. This thing's a beast. It's angry. So it's all about control. Like, watch, even my phone, you see right there, it just flew all over the place. This car is just in your face boat. This really gets me excited for the Hellcat though. Alright. It doesn't go straight. You gotta love that about American power, yeah. Now, yeah, this car does have its downsides. Like, I mean, for a price brand new, the interior, it's very dated, it's plasticky, but to be honest though, the driving experience makes up for it. The car is definitely flawed, but it does come with character. I mean, this is American muscle, baby. But I gotta say though, this thing is just, it's wild. You can't hear the pops on the upshift, the farts. Now this is my third application of driving this 6.4. Originally was the Wrangler 392, then the Durango SRT, and then this. Let me say though, this rear wheel drive just has so much character though. Now the Durango SRT, the same engine. On the backfires, oh my god. You gotta love that. Whew. And you definitely gotta know what you're doing when you drive one of these things. Yeah. And then of course you get that American car feel with the big hood. The big hood. And I'm just leaning on the throttle. And I'm going that crazy. I definitely need one. There's nothing like V8 power. There really isn't nothing like it. It's very strong. It pulls. You don't gotta worry about turbo lag. But if you really want to monster the Hellcat, it's like the car killer right there. I mean, that thing is a freak. It's wild. It's nuts. New car's coming. All right, we're in first gear. And the farts and the shifts, oh my goodness. This car is just insane. Whew. Hey, you really got to take a cold shower after this one. It's wild. And you can also control the shifter down here if you want to. Now the 8-speed is pretty good, but you can't see when you do like upshift at higher RPMs. It's not like dual clutch quick where it's a little bit of delay from when you hit the paddle. But yeah, I really can't complain with this car. It's tons of fun. Like, you sit here with a smile on your face, enjoying the symphony from the exhaust. Does it get more old school than this? I don't know. All right, we're in second gear. Damn. Oh, yeah. And the car just teleports you. Like, it really does. I get it. I get why people buy these. I 100% get it. We just go ahead and make a quick U-turn while nobody's coming. Alright, we're going to activate launch control, do a 0 to 100. And that was 100, like nobody's business. God. And the brakes, this thing is 4,300 pounds and it stops good. Like, do another 0 to 60. Spinning. Damn. Whew. Oh my goodness. Oh, red light. How convenient. Oh, yeah. And on the brakes. You do have to appreciate the brakes though, because they bring it back down. You go from illegal speeds back to common sense in no time. I don't care about gas prices. I love a V8. That's the only thing I know. But yeah, this thing is and on the brakes. We're already at our exit. That's how crazy this thing is. Alright. Let's put in a cool down period in automatic mode. Simmer it down. Yeah, it's wild, man. Now, corner carver, it ain't, because this thing is 4,300 pounds. It's a boat. It's that boat feel like an American muscle car, but it won't embarrass itself. Oh my goodness. Now upshift, the pops. So you see coming around the corner, you can feel the weight. It's not no hot hatchback, but it's pretty damn good. Yeah. The car is literally teleportation. It really is. Oh yeah. I mean, all you're doing is just eating the asphalt in this car, like seriously. Leaving tires for miles. And of course we do have to try another acceleration. This thing really doesn't put its power down good, but I mean, here, watch this. Forgot it was a manual. Damn. It was 90 like that. Woo. You even get these slaps on the upshift. Even when you're doing like half throttle. You also have your race options and all the different other features. So it does show you your brake pressure and everything to show you that everything is all green ahead. I'm gonna try a second gear pull. See how good it puts down its traction. 25. Okay, not bad. Oh my goodness. Yeah, this car is just wild. So as we come on to our final approach and wrapping up this video, is it worth it? Is it worth the price tag? Honestly, I think it is. Packs a lot of punch. It does have downsides, but with any car you do have downsides, but this is just pretty good. You get that old school feel. Yeah, let's say you get a two-door, you got a Camaro, and you got the Mustang, which do add a little bit more technology. But this thing, there's nothing like this. Really is good. Packs a lot of punch. But as always, that is going to wrap up my POV video on this Charger Scat Pack. We're going to shut her down. And I'll see you guys in the next video. This is Chris signing out. Please be sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications. I'll see you guys.